Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to see how you can get a free trial on ExitLag. So first of all, the thing is that when you create an account for ExitLag, they'll automatically give you a free trial. So that's an advantage, as they also tell on their website that you will automatically receive a free trial period to experience our service on the full. But after that free trial ends, you'll have to pay. And the thing is, for this free trial, you won't need to add your credit card details, and this is, of course, only for new users. On the desktop version on PCs and notebooks, it will last for 3 days, and on the mobile version, it will last for 7 days. And it's also worth noticing that if you create this through your mobile app, you won't be able to enjoy the benefits of the free trial on your desktop version and vice versa. And simply, you can just create your ExitLag account by going on their website. For example, from here, you can go and get ExitLag directly. You can see this, these are their plans. You can just simply go down here, create your account, and here you can see all your details. You will add all your details, password, name, email. You'll press on the agreement and then you'll simply register. After that, when the prompts are done, you will be automatically given a free trial. And after that, you can choose to upgrade. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.